Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a spiral cake. This cake does not take very many ingredients, but the end result is amazing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the spiral cake are 2 piping bags filled with blue buttercream. One of them is fitted with a round piping tip, and the other I fitted with a Wilton No. 30 piping tip. You'll also need 2 more piping bags that are filled with white buttercream. These also have the same piping tips. The final ingredient is the cakes. For the spiral cake, I'm going to be using 4 vanilla cake layers. As you can tell, this cake does not require very many ingredients, but the end product is amazing. Before assembling the cake, you'll want to level each cake layer. I use a cake leveler to do this, but you could also use a serrated knife and a ruler. Before assembling the cake, spread a dab of frosting on top of the cake board. Then, place down the first cake layer. Following that step, I'm making a spiral pattern of buttercream in between each cake layer. To do this, use piping bags fitted with the round piping tips and pipe concentric circles of alternating colors of buttercream all the way out to the edge. Next, place down the second cake layer and repeat the piping and stacking process with the remaining ingredients. Also, make sure to place on the last cake layer upside down so we have perfectly sharp edges. Now it's time to give the cake a crumb coat. Start by piling the buttercream on top. Then spread it all out with an offset spatula. Once the frosting is hanging over the sides of the cake, start frosting the sides. After the cake has been crumb coated, place it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now that you've taken the cake out of the fridge, start marking the sections. Mark 8 on top and 8 on the sides. Then, fill in the sections by piping white and blue buttercream in between the lines. And now, the cake is done. As you can tell, this is one of the easiest cake designs ever. All that's left is to cut a slice and enjoy.